And what is up, guys? Boy Games here, and we're back with another episode of Terraria, or Terraria, either one works. And we probably are going to continue creating, or digging down further into the mine. But I probably better put down a floor first, because we don't have one yet. So, I'm going to have to check out the doors, sadly. Okay, so let's get into it. So, what I plan to do today's episode is I plan to at least find some iron, or get some kind of armor. And, just continue on with the game, I guess. Ignore that giant wood statue right there. Yeah, that was I was trying. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Just never mind. Okay. Place blocks. Oh, come on. I screwed up. Okay. Mine that out. Put the doors. But wait, no. Why you do that? Why you do that? There we go. That there and that there. There we go. Now we have doors. Yay. Gonna put all my stuff down too. Furnace. Old bed anvil. And a crafting table. Okay, now let's head down into the mine. So far, has the guide even moved in yet? Yeah, the guide has moved in. Okay, so those rooms are suitable. Okay, let's go down. Okay. Any ore to find would be nice because I'd probably gladly accept any ore except for copper. Copper's just, no. Copper's bad. Copper's very bad. So I assume this is where we stopped in the mine, because I don't see anything else. So, I guess we could dig down. I don't have any wood platforms, so I'm gonna have to actually. Wait, no, don't I have any ropes? I have ropes, don't I? Thought I had ropes, but I guess not. I guess I have to dig down the civilized way. I need to make torches as well. I don't have too many, but I can make 3. I have 4 torches. Might not be enough. Bad deal. Very bad deal. Alright, I guess I'll just keep digging. Just put a torch down because it's hard to see. Okay. I also need to make a better pickaxe, so I have to find some ores. Okay. Actually, I'm just gonna dig straight this way for a bit, then start going like. Okay, there's more copper right there. So I'm just gonna dig down like this. Oh yeah, I wonder how far I can jump. I can jump that, so I think I might be able to go down 2 more, maybe. Alright, yep, I can do that far. So then I'm gonna dig out this way. It's more like just deep drop downstairs. So then dig this up. It also kind of saves torches. Okay. Another torch. We found water. That's not good. I can make 1 wood platform. Oh, I can't anymore. I'm out of wood. I'm out of wood. Ooh. Okay, I guess we'll have to dig this way. Okay, then dig down 2 more. Oh, well. Okay, how far are we down even? We're not very far down. That's not good. Okay. I'll pause till I find something good or a cave. Okay, so I found a cave. I guess I'll check it out. It doesn't look very big, which is bad. I'm out of torches too, so not gonna be able to see much. I guess we have to go back up and get some wood. Yeah, might as well. I love this grappling hook. So nice to have one. So we're into the game. Okay, no, jump. There. Connect. Connect those. Yeah. Yeah. No. Yeah. 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 Meh. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. We're making it. Don't worry. No. Ah, I almost fell. Bad deal. Alright, I'm making it now. Jump. Oh, I can make that. Just grapple. Yeah. Oh yeah. Back at the top. We're good. We're very good. We are amazing. Yeah. Because that's how we roll, Joe. And, Taco, Joe. Taco. Okay. No, asshole. Come on, don't fall. Don't fall. That's not nice. Okay, oh no. No, get away. Get away. Leave me alone! Ah, jeez. So mean. So rude. I don't have any armor or anything on yet. I probably should at least make some wooden armor, but I don't think it's really worth it. Ah, Bunny, you might want to take a few steps back. I might actually swing a chop at you. Okay. I can make some more torches. 12, that should be enough. Probably. It'll last me a while. Okay. Oh, this grappling hook so much. I've said that probably about 200 times. I guess I actually could dig straight down since I have the grappling hook, so might as well just do that. Okay, I'll pause once I find something. Okay, it looks like there's a cave directly under me. Oh yeah, it's not too far of a drop, so I don't think I'll die. Take no fall damage. Haha. Okay, place that there. Let's put that there. There's some ore up there that I'd like. Can't mine that from there. Oh, yeah, there we go. No! Smart cursor. Bad. Right now. Eh. Eh. Okay. And mine the one I'm on. Ow. No. Bid. Bad. No, no, no. Please. Please, bro. Ah. That's close. I don't have any health potions, so. Eh. Maybe there's one in here. Yes! I got a healing potion. Ah. Okay. Keep going down here, I guess. Ooh. I can't grab a hook. Oh, I made it. Oh, it's dark. It's dark. It's very dark. Put a torch there. Put one there. Ah, no. Bat. Bad bat. Please. Please, bro. Oh. He didn't spare me, but I killed him. Okay, grappling hook pro. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. No, no. Bad. Bad cave bat. Chop. Okay, what is that? Is that going mushroom bomb? No, 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 no. Oh, oh, low health. Very low health. I don't like low health. I like full health. Full health is nice. Please get away, jungle bats. Or bats. I don't care where you are. Just please leave me alone. I never did. Oh! Back! Back, you beast! Okay, Run, 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 run. No! I got bombs. What is that? That's a slime. No, I don't like slime. Ah! No, 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 no. No, no, no. No! I hate piranhas. Why? I never did anything to them. They're so mean. Why are they so mean? Okay. No one's moved in yet. I did find some tungsten or whatever it's called that while I was down there. So I guess I'll smelt that real quick. See if I can make anything out of it. Only if I have some Hermes boots, that'd be so nice. Okay. Let's make some. No, oh wait, I found lead too. Might as well make those in ingots. Oh, I can make. Oh, ooh, I can make what? Oh yeah, that's awesome. Okay, now I can go down here and make this. I can make 3. Wow, that's nice. Okay, what bow is 9 damage? I don't have a bow, but I could just quickly go down or go and defeat the Eater of Worlds. He's not too bad because you can kill him pretty easily with a bow. You just have to have some bombs to get down to the thingamajig. So, I need to make a sword. I might as well make a wood broadsword because I need a new sword. So, that's not bad. Pretty good damage, I guess. We have to go find some more ores. Yay! I can't believe I never saw this at the beginning. There's some tungsten over here. Oh, I need a torch. There's some right there. Alright. I wish I could mine that dynamite. So I'm pretty sure, tungsten would be like, it might be equivalent to, iron ore, and lead would be equivalent to silver. So, that's just what I think, so. Oh! Oh, that thing tried to kill me. That thing is mean. I'm not sure, but I know you can make tools out of. Oh wait, wood. Yay. Ah. Eh. Eh. Oh, I get this. Oh, yeah, that's. One Piece. I might as well get it, just because of CD. Um. Let's go to adventure. Why is it? How did that get there? I'm just gonna ignore that and walk away. That is interesting. That's probably. I think that's where I died once too. Grapple, grapple. Yeah, grapple master. Alright, let's go. Ooh, grapple. Yeah, yeah. Well, I wanted in the water. I guess I didn't have to do that right there. Ooh, heart crystal. Half a heart crystal. What? Okay. Sure. Wait. Let's do this. Alright. Alright. Wait, was that wood? No, that was a worm. I don't know what that was. I don't really care. We just need to go mining. Is there anything up here? No, there's not. Torch. No, not torch. Pot. Oh, I'm out. Oh, darn it. Okay, I need to make some. I can make 3 more torches. Oh, just a hopping piranha. That piranha hops out of the water. They're a new type of species. Alright, oh no, this is bad. This is bad. Grappling hook. Huh. I want to see what's over there. Grappling hook. Huh. Alright, we made it. Torch. Okay. Why is there no ores? I don't get it. Ow! There's some more right here. Cave bat. Oh, you scared me. You scare me, cave bat. I don't like it when you scare me. Okay, tungsten. No, no, no. Out. With you, too. Okay. I got some dish. I got some dish. This stuff is tasty. Okay, I have 1 torch left, I think. And there's some wood up there that I could get. Okay. Eh. Yeah. No. Eh. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. Shoot over there. Then, oh, I placed down my last torch. I need to go get that back. Alright, yeah. Ooh, life crystal. There's some emeralds up there, too. Yeah. Okay, I just gotta put this there. Alright, I cannot seem to get that, so I have to jump over here, grapple up there, grapple to there. Actually, how about I just travel like this? Here, here. No! Cave bats! Ah! Bad cave bats! No! No! No, 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 no! Ah! No, no, no! Please, no! Oh, I lived. Oh, why am I stuck in this cup? No! Bad cave bats! Ooh, cave bats bad. Quit falling through the cobweb. Mind the cobweb. Just give me the heart crystal. Ooh! There's. Oh, I found the mother world. Oh, baby girl. Whew. Alright, this was definitely a successful mining trip. Okay. Mine. Whew. That was scary. That was very scary. That was very, very scary. I thought I didn't think I was gonna make it. I was like, oh no, I'm gonna die. But I lived. Okay, mind that. Yeah. Okay, get that, and drop. I need to get these emeralds over here just because. No, it's found. Ah! Oh, no. Ah! Oh, oh. I died. Well, we might be able to make some armor now, actually, because we've hit the motherboard of tungsten. I don't know what that crap is called. I'm sorry. Alright, put that back there. Close the door. What am I talking about? Close that door. Close that door with pride. Okay, let's see here. Where's the tungsten? There it is. There it is. Oh yeah. All that. Look at all that. Ooh, wait, no. Ooh, I like this. Can I make any armor? I don't think I can yet. Poo. I can make wood armor. So I could probably make a tungsten helmet with just a few more bars. But I kind of want to also make a pickaxe because it'd be faster. I'll keep the lead one for now because I just made a broadsword. So, I need a new pick. Might as well. Massive. Ooh, it's big. It is a big pickaxe. Yes. Chop, 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 chop. Alright, did we get another heart crystal? Yeah, we did. There we go. 140 hearts. That's beautiful. That is pretty. Alright, alright, no. Ooh, ow. No, I'm scared. Oh yeah, let's see how good this pick is. That's pretty good. I like that. How is it? Oh, I just fell through. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Never mind. Have a health potion. How much? Okay, I have 6 of those left, so I might as well just make some copper armor. You know what? I'm just gonna make some copper armor because I need armor badly. So, okay. Done getting copper, getting copper, getting copper, getting copper, copper. I don't need that copper because there's not enough. I'm probably gonna drown here. Oh no, I didn't drown. Yay! Oof! No, 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 no. Oh, I don't have any health potions. Uh-oh. Eh, eh, and, yeah. Alright, let's head this way. Because last time I died over here. I wouldn't mind finding a chest full of loot either. Yeah. I didn't make any torches. Wait, oh, yeah, yeah. I like that. Ooh, that's platinum. That's platinum. Yeah, that's definitely platinum. I like platinum. Platinum tasty. Tasty platinum. Oh yeah, I need, let's do this. Okay. No, bat, you stay away, please. Eee! Make a little house. Okay, I have a house. Okay. Platinum. Ooh, that's tasty. I like that platinum. That platinum is nice. That's nice platinum. Wait, I missed them. I missed one piece of platinum. Every piece of platinum counts. Oh, give me that. Yeah. There's more amethyst. I could actually sell that and get some money out of it. No, no, no. Get out of here. No. Bad. Alright, get this. No, take away my torch. Why? I don't want that monster. But I will get this over here. Because I need to make armor. Alright, I wonder if, I'm not sure if copper armor is actually better than wood, but, it seems that we have no other choice right now. So, yeah. Okay, let's get this. My net. Oh, wait, it's in front of me. E. Ah, no, chop, 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 chop. I will chop, chop you up. Come on, chop. Eh, no! Oh, I fell. I fell and failed. Same time, same place. Okay, how much copper? We got 54 pieces of copper. They kind of look like chicken nuggets, actually. Yeah, they look exactly like chicken nuggets. I mean, jeez. I would eat those. Let's try. Nah, it's probably not gonna. Never mind. Let's not try. Okay, let's see here. Make some copper bars. One more. Alright, there we go. 18. I can make a helmet. 1 defense. It's equivalent to wood armor. Never mind. Platinum bar. I need to make some of these. Oh yeah, some of that platinum. Can I make anything with platinum? I don't think I can yet. Okay, can I make some wood armor? I don't have enough wood. Aren't I great? I can, oh, a platinum candle? Heck no. I need to save my platinum. I better make a chest though. A chest would be nice to keep all my loot. Where's the chest? Where is the chest? Okay, there's the chest. There's the chest. Alright, no, you're going too far. Stop. Okay. Chest. Yay. I have me a chest. I feel so happy. Alright, I'm gonna put all my ores in here. The amethyst, tungsten, platinum, lead, emerald, tungsten ore. I shall just keep that with me. Okay. That looks pretty good. I think I'll wrap up the episode here. If you guys like the video, please subscribe. Hit that like button. It really helps me out. Leave a comment. Just say if you're liking it or not. So, I am Slime. I am Louie Games, and I'll see you all later. Woo!